Hey friends, if you wish to solve interrupted error in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. Next one is a clean boot. So why are we performing a clean boot? Because yes, we may restart the computer and it may kill processes which will resolve the interruption. But what if that process is being triggered at the startup itself? So when we perform a clean boot, it basically kills all the processes. Okay, at startup and unless you manually trigger them. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. And finally, update Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.